How to Storio, how to Storio.
How to add non-branching choices in interactive story. Hi creators, welcome back to Storio. Today we're diving into one of the most fun parts of making your interactive story, designing player choices. These non-branching choices are a great way to make your readers feel involved and emotionally connected, even if the story path stays the same later on. We also support branching choices. They let your readers follow entirely different story paths. That'll be covered in a separate video, so be sure to check it out on our channel. Okay, here's how it works. First, go to the exact spot in your story where you want the reader to make a decision. Hover your mouse between the story blocks, and you'll see the Add Choice button appear. Click it. Now, you're going to set up two options, Choice A and Choice B. But first, pick which character is making the choice. After that, write what each choice is. Then, write a separate result that follows either choice. This could be a message they receive, how another character reacts, or an action they made. Let's try a fun example. The character, Shira, is mad at her father. She has two choices. You can also add sound effects between the choice and the result. She could try to keep calm and go wash her face. Or she could smash her water glass against the wall. Then with her different choice, her father can react differently. Same story, same destination, but way more choice, drama, and tension in the moment. Now let's preview what it looks like. You'll see two buttons appear on screen. When a player click the choice, keep calm and wash her face, her father's reply, "Did you hear me?" will appear on the player's side of the screen. Then, if you go back and choose the other option, you'll see a different reaction from her father. Now, let's make it even more fun. You can also add sound effects between the choice and the result. This is perfect for moments where something happens immediately after a decision, like when a player chooses to open a door and it plays a creaking sound effect, or when they tap a phone and it buzzes in response. Like Shira, she could try to keep calm and go wash her face. Cue the faucet turning on and the gentle trickle of water. She could smash her water glass against the wall, and we play a sharp glass shatter sound. Just hover between the choice and the follow-up message, and you'll see the Add Sound Effect option pop up. Let's save and publish to preview the final effect together.
Keep calm and go wash face.
Did you hear me?
Smash water glass against the wall.
Are you out of your mind?
Pretty simple, right? Try it out. And we can't wait to see what you build.